In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay traffic ticket online in Philadelphia. We'll walk through the exact process for paying a moving violation using the City of Philadelphia's official website. Start by heading to the City of Philadelphia services page for traffic tickets. Make sure you're on a phila.gov site and that it connects you to the Municipal Court Traffic Division, which is the office that handles traffic violations. A quick tip before you begin: have your physical ticket and a payment card nearby so you don't have to pause mid-process. Before you click pay, take a moment to confirm what kind of ticket you actually have. A traffic ticket, sometimes called a moving violation, is handled by the municipal court. Parking or camera tickets, like red light or speed camera citations, are managed by the Philadelphia Parking Authority and use a different online system entirely. If yours is parking or camera related, switch over to the Parking Authority site instead. If it's a traffic ticket, you're in the right place to continue. On the municipal court page, choose the option labeled Pay Traffic Ticket. You'll be prompted to enter your citation or ticket number. Type it exactly as it appears on your ticket. It may include letters and numbers. You'll also be asked for your name and any other requested personal details. Enter them carefully and submit the search so the system can locate your case. When your case appears, review everything on the screen. Confirm the violation type, the fine amount, and any added costs, and the due date. Also, double check your name and citation number. If something doesn't match what's on your ticket, pause here and contact the court to clear it up before you pay, so you don't accidentally submit money to the wrong case. If everything looks correct, proceed by selecting Plead Guilty and Pay. This means you are accepting the violation and closing the case, so be sure you're ready to move forward. Enter your credit or debit card information on the secure payment page. Look over the total one more time, including any convenience fees, and then submit your payment. Avoid refreshing the page while it processes. Give it a moment to complete. After your payment is approved, you should see a confirmation page. Download the receipt or take a clear screenshot, including any confirmation number shown. Save it somewhere you can find later as proof of payment. If a receipt doesn't appear, check your browser's pop-up settings and try viewing the receipt again. That's it. You visited the official site, confirmed your ticket type, entered your details, reviewed the case, paid securely, and saved your confirmation. You're all set.